So I made it to the beach. I'm not in the place I want it to be. Oh yeah, I'm recording. I ended up like a mile away from where I wanted to be or so, but I can see the beach. Not sure how to get to it. It's across the street. Yeah. Oh, I might be able to cross the street here, but I'm not going to cross the street here. That's cool. It looks like a little highway. Oh, I can cross the street there. I'll keep walking this way. Yeah, this looks like I have actually never walked this path before. I've driven by this path. Never walked it. Figured I have some free time. Why not go to the beach and make a YouTube video? And I've actually been to this end of the beach, but in a car. Now I'm on foot walking because I normally go way over to the other side. I'll get a good exercise in tonight. Yeah, just the natural beauty. I think this is the Great Highway.